good day my fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again, and welcome back to another edition of Funko Pop Unboxing. And today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Funko Pop. And the pop that I'm going to share with you is Star Wars 10-inch, the Mandalorian with child. Now, before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. You see here, Pop Star Wars 380, the promo photo of the Pop. Here you can see this display window, box of the Pop, the Mandalorian with child. On the other side, the Mandalorian with the child 380, the back. The other Pop that are included in this series. On the other side, Pop, and at the bottom. Now, for a quick and swift unboxing, let's do the snap! Ta-da! Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. Here you can see the iconic design of the Pop, the big head. Since this is Mandalorian and he's not taking off his helmet, you cannot see the big round black eyes. It's the iconic design of the Pop. Guys, it's so nice. The helmet is chrome. I like it. I like the detail. I like the design. By the way, guys, it's bobblehead, huh? It's metallic. You can see here the body. The Beskar armor is metallic, chrome also. You can see the child. It's carrying the child, and it has a base. Oh guys, super duper nice. Great addition to my collection, guys. This is one of my favorite character. I buy 4 inches of a Mandalorian, but the only chrome there is the helmet. That is the second edition. There's a first edition which is, I think, the same. It's chrome, but this one is carrying a child. See guys, it's nice. Very nice detail. So nice, guys. 10-inch. It's worth every money. I like it. So guys, I guess that's it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get an update. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.